Maintenance. This is my CNC router. It's built with an aluminum extrusion 80 by 80 millimeters. This is the X gantry. The problem is I having is the gantry were having a very large movement. I don't know actually what it's called, but it's like a vibration or backlash or something like this. So if I just move it with my hand and put the force, it will move, as you can see, about 0.5 to 1 centimeters. In the bottom here you can see that here's a bolt, so it fix this one with this. This is will be along the X gantry up to there, and this is the nut for the ball screw. I have this just to tighten this with this, but in further upgrade I will put 3 of them here, so it will have more rigidity. I think the problem, because this is too small, I need to put another one here and lengthen this also and put this, but I don't know actually what is the problem. So please, if you have any idea what I'm doing wrong or something, please tell me. I appreciate any idea you give me. I hope this will be solved. Thank you very much. Have a good day.